Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today with my pinsan, we're gonna play Roblox. And I will wait him to the outside.
Yes. Tita Yenta, you're winning me, yes.
Just gonna go downstairs.
Why did you... What does?
Oh my god, this is you?
And did we go? No.
Hey, why your face? That's you?
No, that is not my face.
Oh my god, I want to abandon that boy.
Yes.
No boys allowed not may kilala.
And Tita Yenta, go to your house.
I just abandoned ibang boys and the girls
And
because I
go to
didn't
your
know.
house, Tita Yenta.
Didn't know. And this is the room next. And another room here.
I am over here to the door.
Come on, go inside.
I cannot go. I locking.
No, steal my money.
Okay, I did not steal your money. I just saved the no kill money.
Look at inside.
Wow.
I have decorations. No boys allowed.
Yeah.
No boys allowed.
I know boys are loud.
Koi, this is your room.
This is my room.
This. Come on, I'm jumping here.
What? This is my room.
Yeah, that's your room. Decorated everything you want there.
I'm not decorated then. Decorated then.
Okay, give me.
Okay. One.
Just wait, guys.
Little monkey, Humpty Dumpty.
Mama gonna the place. Let's go. Don't tell. Don't tell, please. Don't tell. Ayun na.
Delete mo muna. Okay guys, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go see my vlog.
Dati tayo kung ding your doorbell.
Yeah, we check it. Oh my god.
Don't abandon me.
This is not you. That's a homeless boy.
Homeless boy?
Okay, I will give him a.
That is a homeless boy?
Please help me.
Okay, let's go.
Bandit. Guys,
No,
I just abandoned him. I'm sorry, boy.
Tita, you abandon me. Abandon me. Well, who ding the doorbell? You? Tita, did you adjust you open the door?
This is my own house. Muntik na siya.
Tita, you abandon mo ko.
Muntik na siya. Lumapit sa bahay ko.
Aban mo ko. Hindi na ko money mo. Aban mo ko. Aban mo ko. Aban mo ko.
Napin mo.
Malamig.
Hindi ko wait sa'yo. Ay, natama pa ako.
Ay, wag mo ako silipin. Tumatay ako.
Let's go. Bo. Asan na tayo ka? Asan ka na tayo?
Kita kita dito ah.
Pati tayo di go ko.
Go play na.
Wewel ko. Ay, wewel ko.
Go.
We pasama.
Kanina.
Kasama mo puting na